You've probably never thought about how your passport is printed, but someone did. And today we get to find out what they found inside one of the most secure facilities in the United States where counterfeiters are caught. Passports are printed and lives are protected. Hey there, welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered what goes into your passport, how it's made, and who's in charge of making sure that your identity is actually yours? Today, we're taking a peek inside the high-security world of US passport printing. The facility we're visiting today is the United States Passport and Visa Office in Washington, D.C. This is where every American passport is printed and where visitors to the United States get their visas. The facility is heavily guarded with armed guards at every entrance and surveillance cameras everywhere. Visitors must pass through several checkpoints before they're allowed inside, and even then they're only allowed to visit certain areas. The passport office is responsible for producing all of the passports and visas for the United States. That means that if you have a US passport, it was probably printed right here. The office produces millions of passports each year, and it does so with the utmost care and precision. Each passport is printed on special watermarked paper that's embedded with a microchip. The paper is also coated with a special security ink that makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit. Once the pages are printed, they're cut, folded, and glued together. The covers are then attached and the passports are ready to be shipped out. But that's not all. Before the passports are shipped out, they go through a rigorous quality control check. Trained inspectors look for any errors or signs of tampering, and if they find anything, the passport is immediately destroyed. The entire process of printing a passport takes about 2 weeks from start to finish, and that's just for routine applications. If you need a passport in a hurry, there is an expedited service available. But no matter how fast you need a passport, rest assured that the government is taking every precaution to ensure that it's printed as securely as possible. The government takes passport security very seriously. There are a number of reasons for this. For starters, passports are one of the most important documents that a person can have. They allow you to travel internationally and they prove that you're a citizen of the United States. If someone were to get their hands on a large number of fake passports, it could cause serious problems. In addition to being a major headache for the government, fake passports can be used for all sorts of nefarious purposes. Counterfeiters often use fake passports to commit identity theft or to enter the United States illegally. It's also much easier to smuggle drugs or other contraband into the country using a fake passport. Finally, having a large number of fake passports could be used to cast doubt on the legitimacy of the US government. If people aren't sure whether or not their passports are real, it could create chaos and instability. That's why the government takes such great pains to ensure that passports are as secure as possible. They want to make it difficult for counterfeiters to create fake passports. And so far they've been pretty successful. We hope you enjoyed this peek inside the high-security world of US passport printing. Now you can rest easy knowing that your passport is in good hands. We'd like to thank the US Department of State for allowing us to visit the passport office and for sharing their expertise with us. If you're interested in learning more about passport security, we encourage you to visit the official website. Stay safe and happy travels. Now it's time to test your knowledge with a quick quiz. What is the main reason the government keeps the passport office so secure? To prevent counterfeiters from entering the United States illegally. B. To prevent terrorists from entering the country. C. To prevent identity thieves from stealing passports. D. To prevent anyone from entering the country without a valid passport. The answer is C. Passports are one of the most important documents a person can have. They allow you to travel internationally and they prove that you're a citizen of the United States. If someone were to get their hands on a large number of fake passports, it could cause serious problems. In addition to being a major headache for the government, fake passports can be used for all sorts of nefarious purposes. Counterfeiters often use fake passports to commit identity theft or to enter the United States illegally. It's also much easier to smuggle drugs or other contraband into the country using a fake passport. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. See you next time.